Machida namaGrootman azange ndayibona situation enjena, azange ndayibona opportunity egrot kangaka for any club, not just for the Kaizer Chiefs. 8 players zeMamelodi Sundowns is available for deals is perfect ngoku kule transfer window ya next month eqala ngoJune nge-30th. Le opportunity sizophinde ifike ngale ndlela ifika ngayo bafethu. If say management eKaizer Chiefs ayitholi at least 3 out of these 8 players amayeke ikaka management mayithengisa club. Opportunity la Machida egrot as players i8 i4 yazo ine contracts eziphelayo ngoJune. Kulo June ilanuza i3 yawo i-contracts zamajita ziphela next season, so ashayilo ngonyaka, so lo yenza i-transfer fee ibe ncane. Kaizer Chiefs eyi kanjani opportunity enjena, and kuse lewe izakwenza ngamajita if kuse aya Kaizer Chiefs ayowe entsha kudala siyibona lewe 2003 Fabian McCarthy wasuka Sundowns way Kaizer Chiefs. 2009 Josta Dladla wasuka Sundowns way Kaizer Chiefs. 2014 Kahle Khompela wasuka Sundowns way Kaizer Chiefs. 2016 Oramahlwe Mpahlele Sundowns to Chiefs. 2018 Leonardo Castro Sundowns to Chiefs. 2018 Khama Billiard Sundowns to Kaizer Chiefs. Ayonto entsha ziweza khona ezi. First reason qhela uba i-finance yinyuku jo. I-salary iki level ne bracket e1. Umuntu kuseka ufuna usuke i-club ethile and then sayothola inyuku esophana, and then ke ngo xa kwenye club kufuneka kuse i-level ne bracket salary kufuneka kuse ibila way1 bone. The swag ngo say deals sibona players kusesuka Sundowns ye-Kaizer Chiefs to Sundowns. Ila way bayisejonga ufuna ukukhipha la we financial level. Say next year the way izinto zime ngayo ngokusiyaqonda ku-World Cup siqonde ku-World Cup, so umuntu kuse bayisejonga uhlele bench i-Sundowns iqombe iya ajo ndakhalela ku-World Cup ndakhalela ku-AFCON manivai and isende kwenye club enkulu phana saba khona i-spotlight ba bone ngizokwazi uthola pha opportunity yodlala base opportunity yoshine. Plus kuse amajita afuna udlala nelawe afuna wina nelawe ne title kuse ezigrot like CAF Champions League and CAF Confederation Cup. Not nje bayisejonga uhlele bench kwenye standini mara kuse udlala ngoku kuse zithini benefits for i-club for by say 12 players. So number 1 is say uthola i-player in a winning mentality, by sijonga le player izawufika ibe ne-impact suma same time azudunga isikhathi for by say be-adapta ki-big club. Umjita uziqhelile i-spotlight ne-pressure ne-media ne-stadium ezigrot, so uyi-Kaizer Chiefs signa i-player esuka ku-Sundowns nakanjani because kuseyintoni izobenefita ntswembu kulo mntu. And say le player lena in a point to prove by sejonga iyazifila basijonga ne-talent and bengafunyikwa chance ba, and it says players Pakistan Sundowns ezinye zazo ibhetera nazo netswemu nazo ezigaka mara kusejonga bengafumani i-chance ngoku manizibonakalise ngokusenathi i-platform egrot Kaizer Chiefs jo. And then say players futhi nazo i-benefits for zona by say umuntu uyafika adlale nezinye players kusezi high level by say intoni apha umjita i-chances zakhe for uba makawine zi-grand, and if kadlala nabantu abantswembu enjoy ibhola yakho and isebhola yakho izoba easy. Benefit again for i-club uthola i-player enjeyana kuse uthola i-player in professionalism jo. La machita kasuka Sundowns professionalism i-high phana se-discipline ne-focus i-growth bhalba sekusem ne-culture yakhona, so as a team kuse uthola i-benefit again enjalo jo if kusezona i-player esuka phana. So again if kuse le team ayiwa goal la majita available ngehlobo disappoint South Africa yonke because South Africa sifuna i-top clubs i-top 3 yethu yonke ibe i-top 3 ingabikho exciting ngathi i-league yethu izoba mani bafana izoba grand. So ngena kamagama ke ngoba feel bayisejonga ngobani thina ngabo 8 players jo ngesikhathi si1 almost is available ngayo amajita from Mamelodi Sundowns. Number 1 uNeo Mayema, kuse uNeo kudala ifuna uzifenze Chief dala zimkhalela. Kuse uNeo uzotholakala ngoku. uNeo kuse no believer bafeel bayisejonga i-contract yakhe iyaphela kulo June akasani i-contract entsha. Opportunity nansi umjita attack midfielder na 29 isikhathi sakhe se-grand kulamalanga xa 29 ayiphelanga ikhadi yakhe nethamthela ngayo le lapha ku-channel ba kuse umuntu kana 29 usena around 5 years of kuse football angadlala, and kuse khole kuthiwa ngathi second pick ngoku kuse ndibonayo kuse apha ebholeni ba kuse bakhola pick yokuqala players bakusejonga around 27 28 bajonga udlala best football yakho ngazibina awusiyo light matured experience udlala ibhola and usafunda ibhola ngokubona yakwazi udlala disc as express pa la age 27 28 and then ngoku klamalanga ngathi ku pick yesibini bafiti le pick yesibini isibakuseyajonga ngoku upha kuna 30 32 31 adlala kuse amajita kuse ana 30 31 32 bafiti and then bayise angathola reasons bayisejonga kutheni ngoku manje senoba uyedibene sports science bayise amajita ngoku ilawe sports science ne training ne nutrition zenze kuse amajita akwazi kuse perform at a high level kweza ages and kuse ngoku amajita ana more motivation ngoku and yazi manje kuse amajita seyadlala bafethu ngoku amajita players kuse base play na 32 na 33 kuse ngoku worldwide not just South Africa futhi. So if usayina player so umayema na 29 uthola kuse i-value and kuse awuzobhatala transfer fee and kuse ungakwazi kuse umtapper grand talk utapper la way kuse baye uthetha naye agent yakhe basemfethu uzwakala Josa gayimali so entswimbo apha and kuse ulahlile ukumjida basically vulnerable aphandle kwalo way because naye nobe yafuna udlala Kaizer Chiefs manje kuse isikhathi esigrand for bayise team my tune approach ingalahli cela nje support encane bafethu kuse 80% yini ababukela le channel every week abasubscribe bafethu cela nje ekseni shaya subscribe apha ezantsi if iqala udibana ne channel okanye seqhela ubukela apha mara ko subscribe uzokwazi ukuthola videos okanye nje support encane ushaye ulike apha ezantsi xa ushaye ulike uYouTube kuse uzobonisa le video amanye amajita. Number 2 siphelele Mkhulise naye kuse 29 umjita and kuse Kaizer Chiefs zamncanywa umjita naye kuse central midfielder okanye central attacking midfielder like Chiefs yadinga players pha. Can you fucking believe ayisejonga i-contract kaSiphelele Mkhulise iyachaya kulo June andiyazi kusento lenzeka pha Sundowns bafika manje sela majita i-contract zawo azikahlanganiswa kuse nguMengu Siphelele Mkhulise na 29 naye umjita. Number 3 Sipho Mbule contract yakhe yaphela kulo June umjita na 27 central midfielder. Umbule unesimoko kusene reputation yakhe umjita akana ifeke lakhe alikho grand nxa yantoni eziwezuba uzokhasa umjita discipline professionalism but kuse 27 usenaso isikhathi for bakuse mahlanganise iline yakhe mfethu career yakhe izophela nesebaninzi abantu abathetha naye futhi umjita wesile season ngoku bakuse mfethu wena su kwenza ikakaze week se focus career yakho jo and kuse imove engaya Kaizer Chiefs umjita uzothola la boost bayisejonga ne motivation ba okay because sometimes la majita ayakhasa enze eziwe because kuse umuntu ufrustrated lo bayise kadlale kathola chance makadlale pha yabo kanye mhlawumbe funeka environment azothola chance makadlale futhi kuye platform Kaizer Chiefs plus ne pha spotlight ne pressure sabakhona pha umjita akazibana ne chance bakusemenzele yakhe bakuse busy ukhama amabhodlela umjita Kaizer Chiefs engamsuta if Kaizer Chiefs goal le move but ese umbule kusenoba khona i1 year option for to extend but ke situation esibona pha Sundowns ese umjita ngathi aka available player ba and naye se funeka feel la uye bayisejonga uyafunwa and kusenga udlala bafana uzayibona Kaizer Chiefs opportunity izawulahla asiyazi. Number 4 Thembi Nkosi-Lorch na 31 ngokumjita contract yakhe yaphela kulo June mara kuse Sundowns ne option to extend umjita ngokuyiloan kwi-Wydad Casablanca because kuse waba honest coach Mikel Cardoso bayise mfethu azoba thola chance opportunity bamadlali apha uLorch wata afuna udlala yena wayiloan Kaizer Chiefs opportunity dala yamfuna uLorch ifans ze Chiefs ziyamncanywa umjita now thini ngoku nathi opportunity if kuse now Sundowns nga extend futhi ngalonyaka one contract i-transfer fee izoba ncane because kuse i-contract onyaka kuse ayumali ngakho if kuse uthenga iplayer. Number 5 Lebo Mabo na 30 umjita ukuyiloan ngoku ku-SuperSport United central midfielder central attacking midfielder umjita contract yakhe unconfirmed can't find information but said fit contract yakhe phela nini okanye sesikhipani but kuse uLebo kudala phana kuse kwi-Sundowns ngoku and akhumbula wasayina i-contract egrot nyanyani ngoSoke Maritzburg United umjita ngathi wasayina 5 year contract Sundowns ngaqala la we ngiyazipina I think iyekile futhi la way sengazipisa Sundowns kuseshaye 5 year contract like yo ayiyo yodwa yenza la way uLebo kwakudala ngoko so contract yakhe noba na kanjani ayikho more than 2 years ngoku noma kusheke unyaka kwanye yaphela nayo contract yakhe uLebo mhlawumbe noba ngale way bayi SuperSport futhi umjita ebefuna uzimakhe uzibonakalisa pha Kaizer Chiefs nansi opportunity nansi player asazi bazolahla na. Number 6, Terence Mashego, left back. Kaizer Chiefs yasokola uthola uPasadena. Plus into play video last week bakhe amachita Kaizer Chiefs ihlanganisa enye left back yase-Africa idlala kwiSimba seTanzania. Mtsweni Mchita international captain. But uyafuna icover i-top team ibana 3 players kwi-position eyi-1. Terence Mashego, uGren, umchita personal umchita i-quality yakhe umchita animngqini kakhulu uTerence, but effective umchita and mature, experienced umchita and winner. Bone Sundowns umchita win i-league title ezithu, so unalo winning mentality kamchita. Sesudlala nase-Africa CAF Champions League umchita. Contract yakhe iphela ngoJune 2026, so unyaka qha ushekileyo ungakwazi unegotiate grand for a transfer fee kwanye sa umchita angafuna transfer request. Bafana international futhi umchita, so player grand. Kaizer Chiefs yalahla okanye asiyazi bafethu. Number 6, unbelievable bafethu. Le player seyilibalekile ngokumntu kuse samkhohlwa ngomchita samazi ngoku nibone umchita qinisa senze research ba excel out isekhona. Top player bafethu Rivaldo Coetzee bachita. Rivaldo sena 28 years old. Contract yakhe, can you fucking believe it, Sundowns iphela kulo June and isekatholi contract entsha. Central defender kwenye central midfielder umchita na 28 ngoku ndaba experience le out noba kusele 200 games ngoku iPSL le eqala udlala iAjax Cape Town ina 17 jo. So cinga iseni ingqondo yebhola injani kulomchita, experience yakhe, maturity yakhe. And Sundowns win 6 league titles. Lamachita most yawo maninzi amachita kusewin league titles apha jo. Umbule 2 Loch win league title ufike this year, last year Sundowns I think win ufike January last season win. Mabo I think 3 or 4 league titles. Mashego 2 league titles. Coetzee senchilo 6. Mkholise things 3 or 4 league titles. Mayema na said 3 or 4 league titles was winners is so Kaizer Chiefs ngabe iyabhanqa ezikaka bafiti fix ayitholi at least 3 out of these 8 players. Nithini bafiti msincola lapha i-comments bafiti. Kaizer Chiefs opportunity growth lena bayisejonga mahlanganisa squad bene talent plus ne winning culture ne experience isquad ine C1. Ngalibala subscribe bafiti ni nelawe support channel okanye shaye nje ulike apha ezantsi YouTube xa shaye ulike ubonisa le video amanye amachita mojo. Next kwi-list, goalkeeper Jody February. Umchita age yakhe isegrand na 28 umchita. Kaizer Chiefs angaya pa azoba number 2, azocompete number 1 afake pressure ku number 1. Isikhathi segrand mamamthola. Quality goalkeeper lo. Ungazongixalela mina bayikuse uJody February inxa ba umbone yenze mistake ayi goalkeeper egrand. Like if you play abantu abangazi ibhola, if you play yenze mistake kusejonga ayi good player leyo. Jo. Bomaphandle if ucingela hlobo bomaphandle jo ndiyazi le out bayisejonga top goalkeeper le. That's why Mamelodi Sundowns, but ke kusengoku kuzotholakala ngokuthi bakhe yoba number 2 or number 1 izothengwa iKaizer Chiefs uJody. Ijambile Sundowns izozama uqopha ezi moves zonke ezi players bayisejonga zingayi iKaizer Chiefs, but Kaizer Chiefs funeke ilwe, funeke ifehe for ifans zayo for bakhe Chiefs ine players ezi quality. I-football kuse i-competition, i-rivalry, i-war, and kuse ayiqala ibalini ngo-August kaqala i-league, iqala ki-transfer window. Uyakwazi kuse if kuse uwine ilawe i-battles ki-transfer window, so ispan 50% yespan so usigqibile for uba kuse jonga bekhona into oyiwinayo kule season. Chiefs zikhona i-players ezozithenga, but kuse noba unemali ngakanani funeke kuse uspanise ingqumka ube veld. Awunothenga i-players like ezi more than 5 like 6 7 8 players zonke uzithengile. Funeke kuse uspanise ingqumko ube smart udlale grand ngemarket. Bekhona kuse i-players ozithola on free deals and zonke club emhlabeni zayenza lo way, even i-club ezinenyuko. Ismoko i-transfer noba yiphi transfer noba kusejonga say best player top talent kuse nazo i-stats zonke like i-goals ne-assists. I-risk yonke i-transfer i-risk. I-player doesn't mean by say I could guarantee by say play noba inswimpu izofika isucceed kwenye i-club. So say Chiefs make calculate grand say ibe veld xa isenza i-transfer businesses and opportunity egrot nansi ile plan if ekusawebuela ki-Pirates and seyazithola ngalamajita bayisejonga yatholakala. Kaizer Chiefs njengilibele kulahla uRulani uzothatha uMayema thathe umbule ayinabo ki-Pirates uLocha ayinabo kwiParis. So iKaizer Chiefs maye kubhanqa noKhuthiye noRivaldo Khuthiye iplayers zakhe I think onke namajasa noRulani. So ikuse Kaizer Chiefs suppose ba imove iway ehambayo jo suppose ba kuseyidadama isuke fast iKaizer Chiefs ingabe isedelaya isikhathi yavayo uRulani vela shayiwe fast and kuseyena ne direct contact nes players. So bafethu Kaizer Chiefs again mayingabhanqi bafethu sifuna ikuse ileague yethu ibeke high level Plateau Premiership. If we say Parity grand, Sundowns grand, Chiefs babe grand, ileague yethu izoba grand, nebafana fana izoba grand. Kaizer Chiefs ama yekubhanqa bafethu manje nazi kusey players ezitop mahlanganisi